a sleepy face. And now, here you come in. Very beautiful view on the front porch. And before I go in, I'll show you. It happens sometimes that you forget the keys inside and you'll be locked out. So you can press that button. It will go to our call center, and we will come running to open the door for you. Any changes since last time? Yes, little bit, or maybe only the restaurant. Maybe ago.
Calculated 18 years.
Oh wow, okay.
Or 15.
Maybe yes. So same. Maybe I believe the restaurant section. So I will show you a few pictures about the shop. For example, here this is your refreshment center. Everything you see on this level means the water, coffee, tea, and nuts and cookies are included, and will be replenished twice for your day, morning and evening, as well as the fruit basket. However, the hard liquor, the wine cellar, snacks, and minibar, those are extra. And then here, everything about the bed. So the pillows, the mattress is soft feather. However, we have a huge pillow and bedding menu you can look up to in case you have any preferences. And then
Please recount from the luggage. You have a two-piece luggage. Enjoy your stay.
over here, this is your iron cabinet. Here you can find a safe for your personal belongings. And we do have a fumigation against mosquitoes every even days. However, you'll find some backup here. So a mosquito spray, mosquito plug, and mosquito coil. And then inside the wardrobe, here you find laundry basket with prices and information, and 2 life jackets in case you might need them. Additionally, we place some gifts for you inside the closet. This is your wardrobe. So you will find a bag, head cap, and sunscreen for you. Very important here. Perfect. And regarding the towels, if you would like to have fresh new ones, you can place them inside the bathtub. However, if you hang them, housekeeping will not touch them and you can reuse them. And then over here, for example, this is a makeup table to get ready for the evening. So here you will find a hair dryer already connected, and inside the mirror there is a small refrigerator for skincare and cosmetics. Perfect. If you don't have any questions, can we do a very quick check-in? We also place a champagne bottle for you, so you can celebrate your